The future of flight is changing, and it starts with a return to the most abundant element in the universe. Imagine an aircraft that breathes in air and exhales nothing but pure water vapor. This is the journey of hydrogen, a silent, powerful revolution designed to carry us across the globe without leaving a footprint. Beyond the familiar curves of the fuselage lies a hidden architecture. We are moving away from combustion and toward a sophisticated synergy of chemistry and physics. This internal world is a masterpiece of engineering, where liquid storage, fuel cell stacks, and high-performance electric motors work in perfect harmony to redefine what is possible in aviation. Our journey begins deep within the heart of the aircraft, inside the cryogenic storage tanks. To keep hydrogen in its liquid state, it must be cooled to a staggering -253 degrees Celsius. These double-walled, vacuum-insulated vessels are marvels of thermal management, holding the concentrated energy needed for long-range flight. As the flight begins, the energy starts to move. Liquid hydrogen is carefully transitioned into a gaseous state, its molecules vibrating with potential. This is the first step of the hidden process, moving from stable storage into the delivery veins of the aircraft. It is a controlled, elegant flow of energy directed toward the heart of the system. The delivery system is a complex network of precision conduits. Within these stainless steel paths, hydrogen molecules are guided toward the fuel cell stacks. Every valve and sensor ensures a steady, perfect rhythm. We are witnessing the transition from raw fuel to a refined source of power, all occurring silently beneath the aircraft's skin. Now the hydrogen reaches the fuel cell stack. This is the hidden machine where the magic of electrochemistry happens. There is no fire here and no burning. Instead, the hydrogen molecules prepare to meet oxygen from the outside air, initiating a reaction that will generate the lifeblood of the modern world. Electricity. Inside the fuel cell, a beautiful transformation occurs. As hydrogen passes through the microscopic layers of the membrane, it is stripped of its electrons. This chemical dance creates a flow of steady, clean electrical current. It is an incredibly efficient process, turning molecular bonds directly into the power required to defy gravity. This electricity now flows through the aircraft's nervous system. Power electronics manage the distribution, ensuring that every kilowatt is sent exactly where it is needed. From the flight deck instruments to the massive propulsion units, this invisible stream of energy connects the fuel cells to the mechanical systems that drive us forward. We move now from the electrical to the mechanical. The electric motor receives the blue glow of energy, energizing copper windings and creating powerful magnetic fields. This is the moment where electricity becomes motion. The rotor begins to spin with incredible torque and precision, all without the vibration or noise of a traditional engine. That rotational motion is transferred directly to the fan. As the blades spin, they begin to grab the surrounding air, pulling it through the nacelle. We are seeing the conversion of electromagnetic force into physical displacement. The quiet hum of the motor is the only sound as the invisible air begins to move. As the airflow accelerates, thrust is generated. This is the fundamental consequence of our hidden process. By accelerating a large mass of air backward, the aircraft is propelled forward. It is the same principle of propulsion we have used for decades, but now it is powered by a completely clean, carbon-free source. As we accelerate down the runway, the physics of lift take over. Faster airflow over the curved surfaces of the wings creates a drop in pressure. The aircraft becomes light. The weight is countered by the rising force beneath the wings, and the boundary between the earth and the sky finally disappears. We are now in stable flight, cruising through the atmosphere. The system is in a state of perfect equilibrium. Hydrogen continues its steady journey from the tanks to the motors, providing a constant, reliable stream of energy. It is a serene experience, proving that high-performance aviation doesn't have to come at a cost to our planet. In the cockpit, the pilot sees a display of peak efficiency. The motors are optimized, the thrust is constant, and the energy flow is managed with digital precision. This is the peak of aerospace engineering, a system that maximizes every molecule of hydrogen to achieve the speed and range required for global travel. Watching this aircraft take off is witnessing the dawn of a new era. It represents a promise kept to future generations. We have integrated advanced fuel cells, cryogenic storage, and electric propulsion into a single, seamless vehicle. This is sustainable flight, realized through the power of human ingenuity and clean technology. The process is a perfect cycle. From storage to conversion and from electricity to thrust, Each step is a link in a chain of zero-emission power. Hydrogen is more than just a fuel. It is the catalyst for a better tomorrow, allowing us to explore our world while preserving the very air we fly through. This mission is about more than just technology. It is about infinite possibilities. By choosing hydrogen, we unlock a future of cleaner skies and quieter neighborhoods. It is a global collaboration that pushes the boundaries of efficiency and safety, proving that we can fly higher and further without compromise. As the journey continues, we look at the only byproduct of this entire process: water. Inside the fuel cell, the hydrogen and oxygen have finally bonded. What was once a high-energy fuel is now simple H2O. This water returns to the sky, completing a natural cycle that is as clean as the clouds themselves. The aircraft's water management system is a masterclass in hidden infrastructure. Every drop produced in the fuel cells is captured, filtered, and managed. Eventually, it is released as a fine, clean vapor. There are no soot particles, no carbon oxides, just pure water returning to the atmosphere from which it came. To understand the whole, we must see how these systems interconnect. The tanks, the delivery lines, the fuel cells, and the motors form a singular hidden ecosystem. It is a complete enclosed loop of energy and matter, working silently behind the panels to ensure a safe and efficient journey from takeoff to touchdown. The reliability of this system starts with the tank's integrity. By utilizing super-insulated walls and advanced pressure controls, we ensure that the liquid hydrogen remains stable and pure. Safety is engineered into every layer, providing a robust foundation for the entire energy chain and ensuring zero emissions even during storage. The fuel cell stack is the heart of the efficiency story. Its durable design and bipolar plates are built for the rigors of aerospace. Because there is no combustion, there is no mechanical wear from heat and friction in the way we see in jet engines. It is a silent, solid-state revolution in power generation. The electric motor completes the transformation. Its high power density and integrated cooling jackets allow it to deliver massive output from a lightweight package. Built to the highest aerospace standards, these motors are more reliable and easier to maintain than any turbine, ensuring that the future of flight is as dependable as it is clean. We are standing at the threshold of a new age, the age of electric flight. The transition from fossil fuels to hydrogen is the most significant shift in aviation history since the jet engine. It is a move toward harmony with our environment, powered by the most fundamental building block of our universe. We have traveled through the tanks, through the fuel cells, and into the spinning motors. We have seen how hydrogen becomes flight. This is the complete system: clean energy, powerful performance, and zero compromise. Together, we are not just flying, we are pioneering a sustainable path for the world to follow.